Where have I been and why haven't I been posting any videos? What am I waiting for? All of that coming right up. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time that I have not recorded a video for you guys. So this video is for my subscribers. If you are a subscriber, you know that I normally post videos 2 to 3 times a week, and it's been almost a month since I've been able to put out a video for you guys. And the reason is we are in the process of a big move. We're moving into a new home and things are just really unsettled right now. So I barely have any time or quiet time like this to be able to record a video. Plus, with all of my homeschool stuff packed, all of our summer plans ruined and changed, I don't really have that much content for you guys. So I have my content calendar prepared for all the way through like March of next year. So I have a whole bunch of things prepared and ready to be recorded for you guys throughout the rest of the, this upcoming homeschool year, and I'm so excited to get that stuff together for you guys. I just wanted to get on here, show my face, and let you guys know that Mrs. Mom's Homeschool is still here, and I have so many new things planned. This upcoming homeschool year, you can expect to see a video of our new homeschool space. We will most likely not have a designated homeschool room this time, but I am going to show you some creative ways that I plan on homeschooling throughout the whole entire house. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys. I also have a ton of new resources that you guys may have never even heard of before that I'm going to share with you guys, as well as monthly unit studies. We are going to be doing things totally different this homeschooling year. We are taking a break from regular curriculum. And you know what? I just realized that I have a fan on that I'm going to turn off right now. Maybe it'll be a little quieter there. I don't know if that helped or if you even heard the fan, but and now it's pouring outside. So anyway, we are going to be sharing some of our new resources, some new cool games and books. Oh, I was telling you that we are doing things a lot different this upcoming homeschool year. So I am not going to be doing a lot of actual curriculum. I'm actually going to be doing some unit studies each month, and we're going to be incorporating a lot of our subjects into our unit study. So every month you're going to be getting a new unit study detailed with the books and everything, ideas and all the stuff that we're doing in case you guys need those ideas. We're going to be doing poetry tea times, lots of field trips, lots of day in the life homeschool videos, lots of do a lesson with me videos. We're going to be doing everything sharing our homeschool journey this year. This year is going to be a year of fun and enjoying our time together in our homeschool. If you were with me last homeschool year, you know I had up to 5 students in my homeschool. I had my 3 and then 2 others that I was helping to homeschool. I'm no longer homeschooling those 2, and then my oldest daughter has reached the end of her homeschooling journey, and she is going on to a Christian high school this upcoming fall. So that's some exciting news there. So I will be having my 4th grader, well, my soon-to-be 5th grader, and my 1st grader in all of our videos and things together. I also want to be sharing some more motherhood videos, and also how to prepare your child if they are going to be planning on going to high school. What kinds of things should you prepare for when you're ending your homeschooling journey? So it's going to be an exciting year, guys, and I'm really looking forward to doing my 2 to 3 videos a week. But as of right now, I'm going to try my best to at least post a video a week for you guys until we have moved and settled into our new place. So that is what I wanted to get on here and tell you guys. You guys can find me over on Instagram and see what we're doing this summer. I'll post the little link right here. You can also find me on Facebook, on my Facebook page at VIG787. If you guys have any homeschool related questions or anything like that, if you just want to get on there to connect with me, I would love that. You can reach me on there as well. So for now, I'm gonna say goodbye until next time, guys. I hope you guys are having a fantastic summer. I hope you're enjoying every single day. Remember, life is changing, always changing, full of surprises. I want to make sure you guys are enjoying all the little, even the dull moments. Enjoy each other and have a fantastic summer, and I will see you in the next video.